YouTube, welcome to a new video. I'm Philip Jacob and you're watching Metal Beings. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how a BMW can park by itself. So before going ahead with this video, you have to make sure that your car has Park Assistant or Park Assistant Plus. So what is the difference between them both? A Park Assistant will have only a reversing camera, whereas it will have 360-degree sensors. At the same time, a Park Assistant Plus would have 360-degree camera and also 360-degree sensors. So that's the only difference. So now if you want to physically check in your car if you have this feature, the Parking Assist or the Parking Assistant Plus, all you have to do is go to the center console and you will have to find the button P. So this is the button you need to search for on your center console. It may be in different models. This is the X5. So you find it over here. Once you click that button, you'll be able to notice that it would show you on the display screen the display of the 360-degree camera and also the reversing camera. So this car having the 360-degree camera, it means that it has Parking Assistant Plus, wherein it would be written over here saying it has Park Assist. So if you know you have this checkbox over here, it means that your car is equipped with Park Assist and you can do the automatic parking feature. So now let's do the parking feature, and for this you have to make sure that this box is on tick. So once you press the button P, it will automatically get itself ticked, but if it is not, you have to make sure it is being done. And then another mandate is that you have to make sure you have put in your seatbelt. And once that is done, you have a parking space. So let's say you're in a parking lot. You put your car to drive. You make sure it is in parking assist. And then you have to just drive very close by the vehicles. So now you drive manually. You have to see if you have a parking space. And over here, I've set up a parking space over here. And I'm just driving across, and the car is still trying to manage and see if there is a parking space over here. I'm just keeping driving and it just tells me to park at the selected parking space. All I have to do is click on this. As you can see, there is a button P over here. I click on it and it says to start parking, take hands off steering wheel and release brake. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna release my legs and the car is gonna do the parking all by itself. Please make sure that you still are aware of your surroundings, because if there are some small rocks or anything like that, the sensor might not grasp that. So you have to be very careful in this. You can see it is automatically sensing, it is automatically engaging to the drive and reverse, and my legs are away. And the car has automatically stopped and it says vehicle secured. So as you can see, now I have already parked, and if I go outside, we have a perfectly parked car just in between the GT and the X3. So you saw how we parked the car, and now again from the place where I parked by using the parking assist. Now if I click on the parking assistant, you can see it shows me an arrow over here. So now let's click that arrow and it switches on the indicator by itself. And when I release my legs off the brake and the accelerator, it is automatically engaged to the reverse gear also. Now when I'm leaving the brakes, you can see that the vehicle moves behind, stops by itself, turns the steering wheel all by itself, and then it stops and says parking completed, take over control of the vehicle. Now all I need to do is engage, drive, and I can drive off by myself. So this is one convenient feature which is very handy for most of the BMW owners. So the parking you guys saw just now was called the bay parking. The car is also capable of doing the parallel parking exactly in the same procedure, which I showed you that time. It showed you the box. So on that box, you saw a vertical rectangular box where the car would park itself. Whereas if it is doing a parallel parking, the vertical box would be a horizontal box, and the exact same procedure where the car parks by itself and also takes it out of the parking space. There is only one concern with this parking. Let's say when you're doing this parking procedure, if anybody is walking or moving around the car in close proximity, then this function might get confused and it would stop immediately. Otherwise, if there is not much of a disturbance and if there is ample amount of space for it to do the parking, it would do the parking all by itself seamlessly. So that's it from me, guys. I'll see you guys on another video with another car and or a feature. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel because it supports me and the channel's growth. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.